Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to study for geometry, easy method. Start by reviewing definitions and drawing clear diagrams to visualize each problem. Practice 5 representative problems per topic and explain each step aloud. Use spaced repetition with quick nightly reviews to move concepts into long-term memory. Check your work against solutions and note recurring mistakes to focus your next session. Keep sessions short and consistent for better retention. In this video, I will explain how to study for geometry, easy method. Focus practice on core topics like triangles, circles, and similarity using targeted problem sets. Write full proofs for at least one new theorem each study day to deepen understanding. Alternate focused practice with mixed review to force recall under varied contexts. Regularly revisit old mistakes and rework problems until solutions feel natural and intuitive. In this video, I will explain how to study for geometry, easy method. If you are finding these tips helpful, please subscribe and like to support the channel. Quick recommendation: I love the socks you see here. They keep me comfy during long study marathons, and they last forever with a lifetime warranty. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. In this video, I will explain how to study for geometry, easy method. Keep a small toolkit, compass, ruler, protractor, and a notebook for clipped examples and notes. Record quick voice summaries after study sessions to reinforce ideas with active recall. Use apps for flashcards or diagram practice when away from paper to maximize downtime. Pair up with a study buddy for explanation practice and friendly accountability.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.